Hello guys, so today I'm gonna unbox the camera. As you can see, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So I bought this for 479 euros. As you can see, 479 euros, and it has a built-in memory card, guys. The special thing about this camera, also it has an extension rod and also battery, three batteries, and also it's a battery case which you can charge all of your three batteries. It has these things, revolutionary imaging performance with an all new 1/1.3 inch sensor, and also center and track subjects with enhanced precision. Dual HDR OLED touch screens, which one is in the front and another is in the back. So it has a professional audio recording and with DJ microphone connection too. So yeah, robust stabilization. It has a robust stabilization with 360 degrees horizon steady. So let's go, guys. Now we're gonna check it. You can also download the app in Android and also in the App Store using this code. So let's see. One thing, it says open here. Yeah, we're gonna open here. So from here, we open this camera. I think I'm gonna put it here so that you can see it better. So now I'm gonna open the camera for you guys. Yeah. So you're opening the camera, guys, for this camera. As you can see, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. We are opening this camera, guys. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Okay. So it has two things, guys, very special. The first says Osmo Action 5 Pro, which could be the camera, and the second box is the accessories. So the first thing I'm gonna open is this Action Osmo 5. Let's see what's there. Oh, I think it's the camera. So this is the camera, guys. Let's see. Wow. So, it has this special thing. Maybe it's against the moisture. Yeah, something like that. So, let's open this one. Yeah, thanks. So, as you can see, guys, this is the the case for handling the camera, and this is the camera. This is our camera, guys. So here you go. I'm gonna put this one side and check that later. Oh, here. So let's see. We're opening the other one. So this is the accessories. Yeah, and I think one thing which is very important, I would say, is this one. I was expecting this. This is the selfie stick, the kind of the handle for that. And this is the SanDisk chip, the micro SD, the recommended memory card for this, which is 128 gigabyte. I bought this 128 gigabyte for 20 euros. So let's check that later. So this is the selfie stick, guys. It's very important. Wow. So yeah. So yeah. Yes, well, it's extendable, guys. Wow, it really is. So satisfaction, guys, absolutely great, absolutely amazing. It's nice. So check that later. So now I'm gonna put this back. Oh yeah, it works. You know, guys, I bought this for 479 euros, so it works. It is worth it. The DJI 4 Action 4 was 329 euros, but the seller, he convinced me to buy the 5 Pro because he said it's the upgraded version and it has more nice features. So we're gonna put this back here, and now I'm gonna open the other box, which is the accessories box. So I'm gonna this is the accessories. So I'm gonna open this one now. Actually, guys, it's night time. I'm recording. It's now right now like 9 o'clock something, 10 o'clock in the night. So I'm recording this in the night, in the evening. So because I want to record this in the morning, but I couldn't wait to record. That's why. So tomorrow I'll have another video, but this one I recorded now. So let's see. This is the case. Yeah. So yeah, from here. That's a remote, I think. Yeah. That's those two things. So for it, it's I think for the helmet cam. So yeah. And this is our camera. Very amazing, guys. Action 5 Pro. Yeah. DJI. Really amazing, guys. So yeah, it's protective box. Now we are here. Yeah. These are all the accessories, guys. So charger, mainly the charger. Yeah. And manual. So here, guys, this is also the for the application, you know, DJI store. So a must-have app for DJI users. You need to have an application. You need to use all the features and easily download the movies and videos you record in this camera within your phone. So here you go, guys. Here we go. So these are the batteries. Yeah, the batteries should be inside. I think so. Yeah, exactly as I expected. So they are inside, and you know they are already, I think, full charge. So 1950 megampere. Yeah. So this, guys, now this is our camera, and this is the lens, guys. So there you go, guys. So thank you so much, guys. See you later. Thanks. So here you go, guys. My camera is ready. Here you go, guys. Wow. Action 5 Pro. This is the beautiful stick. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be recording for you tomorrow. So there you go. I'll be removing this protective cover of the lens. So this is our Action 5 camera, guys. Yeah.